Hello, welcome back. In this class, we want to teach us how to add transition to our video. Can you see that for every image, can you see that a pencil like are in between one video to another video? Can you see? It means that you can change the transition, the way how it will show how it will move from one video to another video. To do that, you just click the pencil like here. Then you can apply any transition that you want. Can you see? You have the basic one. You have the basic transition. So if you want to use the super transition, this is super. So if you want to use glitch, can you see? So if you want to use frame, so if you want to use distort. So you are not able to use it because I'm using Pro app. That's the reason why I'm able to use all the effect. But if it's for you can just only use the basic. You can just use the basic. Can you see? Let me just use basic for this purpose of this class. So let me just use basics. Then if I want to apply it to only one, then I'll click this one. So let me just go to, can you see that the pencil like has changed to the transition effect? Then if I want to use it for the second one, I'll just come here. Then I'll go and use the pencil like the transition again, the basic one. Then if I want to apply it for all, the design, I'll just click this double mark here. Then you see transition apply to all. Then you can now apply the transition to all our images. Then let's check it out.
يا ربي يا رحمن يا مبدع الأكوان يا ربي يا رحمن.
That's about the video. Then let's go and do that for our images also. So let's go back and go and do that for our images. To do it you go to our video, then you can come to our draft. I want to open the pencil. Can you see that there is pencil like here also in these images? Now to add transition to it, you come to this pencil and you click it, then you can see the transition. I have used the basic one, then I will be using the pro one here. Let me just use this off. I'll be using the pro one here. Let me check the slice one. Can you see the different? So if I want to use light, so I'll be using this off for my design. Okay, if I want to apply it to only one, I'll just click here. Then if I want to apply it to all the rest, I want to apply the same transition to it. I can use different transition, but I want to use the same transition. Then I'll just go back. I'll go back and I'll apply this. Then instead of writing clicking the one mark, you just click double mark. You just transition apply to all. Then click transition apply to all. Then let's check it out. Can you see it? Okay. Then if you want to add a music to it, I have taught us that in our previous class. You just come back, go to our music. So there is some music here. I want to add. Then let me just go to my music. I don't know. if I have one here, and see if I can initially. I don't have it in my phone. Okay, let me just pick Nasheed, the one Nasheed I have on my phone. And just use this one also. Then I'll come back here, then split it, then delete, then
يا ربي يا رحمن يا مبدع الأكوان يا ربي يا رحمن.
save. Okay, we'll stop here for today and we'll resume back in our next class.